Welcome guys to the hard reset info channel. In front of me is FreeYond M6, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this we have to open our settings, and now we have to click on the notifications option right here. Here we have to scroll down a bit and click on the do not disturb. And we can click here to turn on now, and we can also turn off here. Other way to do this is just swipe from the top to the bottom like this, and right here you have to find the do not disturb option. As you can see, for me it's right here, and we can just click on it to turn it on or turn it off. Basically that's it. That's how you turn on or turn off silent mode on your device. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can leave like and subscribe. And that's it. Thanks. Bye.